students. I wish you all are fine. I'm your teacher Sadia Arshad. Today it's Monday and the subject that we are going to study, that is English, and the topic is very familiar and this is your repetition work. This is word opposite. I have given you 5 words. There are picture as well. You have to write the opposites of these 5 words. Let me read the words for you. Cold, fast, happy, dark, big. Now they have given you the pictures as well. You have to write the opposites in front of these words. Cold, hot, fast, slow, happy, sad, dark, light, big. This one is big and this one is small. So these are the 5 words opposite that you have to write in your English copy, plus you have to learn them. Today you have your written plus oral work that you have to learn these 5 words and their opposites as well. This is your work for today. Thank you and have a nice day.